Wondering how to make money online? Try these ideas today. Everyone knows someone who is making a killing online, but how do you get to do the same yourself? Would you like to give up your job and instead work from home? If you are interested in learning more about working online, this video has the tips and tricks you need. If you want to make cash online, you must decide what niche you fit into. Do you excel with the written word? Market yourself personally as a content provider. Is graphic design something that you excel at? You could get hired to work on the sites of others. If you want to succeed, know thyself. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. Many people make quite a bit of money by filling out surveys and participating in online studies. There are numerous websites that offer this kind of work, and it can be quite lucrative. It is important that you check out the reputation and validity of any website offering survey work before joining and supplying your sensitive information. Make sure the site has a good rating with the BBB or other consumer protection agency. It should also have positive reviews from users. Use your spare moments wisely. Tasks that do not require a great deal of attention can be found online. This is true of tiny tasks on a crowdsourcing site like mturk.com, known as Mechanical Turk. Do a survey while watching your favorite TV program. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, however, it will help you maximize the value of your time. Now that you've read all of these great tips and tricks, you are primed to make some money online. Take your time as you begin to figure out what niche is right for you. Once you find your money-making opportunity, build up your drive and start tackling it with passion. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.